going to be talking about our guaranteed issue final expense product from Great Western. It's a one-of-a-kind final expense solution for your client. Excited to walk you through this program and show you the product from Great Western and can provide to your client. Product is has an increased death benefit to serve the fast-growing market, and also is an immediate point-of-sale underwriting decision. So when you walk out of that house, you know exactly if they're going to get the level death benefit or the graded death benefit, and we'll walk you through that as well too. Also, there are 41 states. Also, we've just added a couple more states to the approval list for Great Western, and be happy to talk to you about that as well too. The immediate point of sale decision based upon 3 answers. It's a guaranteed issue day 1 coverage, and it's a one-of-a-kind coverage where it has 125% of the death benefit is paid out at the time of death for the Assurance Plus. And the Assurance Plus is the level of death benefit that has immediate coverage right away. Also, there's built-in riders that increase the coverage, and which are free of charge. Policies issued in 48 hours, and commissions are paid daily. Also, it has a cool feature to it where it's a draft date technology, which allows your client to choose initial plus also the ongoing premium draft dates to coordinate with their Social Security payment. And also, there's other innovative product features as well too. The Guaranteed Assurance product from Great Western offers 2 plans to provide a valuable coverage regardless of their health. One is the Guaranteed Assurance, which is the graded death benefit, and the other one is the Assurance Plus, which is the level death benefit. The Guaranteed Assurance offers coverage no matter what the client's health is. There's no underwriting, and it's completely guaranteed issue. And if there's accidental death in the first 2 years, the clients will receive the full face amount of the policy. And then if there's death is due to a non-accident in the first 2 years, the policyholder gets 110% of the premium back. And then after the first 2 years, the death benefit is the full death benefit to the policyholder. That is the Guaranteed Assurance or the graded death benefit version. The other version is the Assurance Plus. Again, like we said before, it's one-of-a-kind product that provides day 1 coverage and pays 125% of the face amount upon death, and so which is huge. So basically, simple underwriting, no medical exams. Coverage is on answers to simple health questions, we'll get into a little bit later on here as well too. The initial face amount of a policy for the insurance is $10,000. And then at the time of death, that $110,000 turns into $12,500 to their loved ones at the time of death. So basically, that's another $2,500 that their loved ones will receive at the time of death. Here is the application. Really a short application. There's no tele-underwriting, no medical exam, very simple health questions. And the health questions are in Section C. And here is Section C right here. So these are the 3 health questions, very simple. One is the ADLs, one if it's been into a hospice or a nursing home from 5 days or more. And the other one on number 3 is if they have disorders or diseases. And that, keep in mind, is in the past 2 years if they've been diagnosed with. If it's been more than 2 years when they've been diagnosed with, most of the time they can select no to that question. So if they select no to all 3 of the questions, then it is the Assurance Plus, which is a level death benefit. And if they select yes to one of the health questions, Guaranteed Assurance, which is the graded death benefit. Another example, $10,000 face amount for a 60-year-old female. The premiums, one great thing about the Great Western product, the premiums are the same. We have the Guaranteed Assurance and also the Assurance Plus. $66.25 is the premium for both of the Guaranteed Assurance and the Assurance Plus. And just the only difference is the Assurance Plus, which is level death benefit, has immediate death benefit coverage right away, and that $10,000 turns into $12,500. Also, remember, keep in mind the Guaranteed Assurance, death happens in the first 2 years, a non-accident death. The premiums are 110% of the premiums are paid back. And then the 3rd year, it's a full death benefit. Again, an illustration right here, $10,000 turns into $12,500 $12,500 for the Assurance Plus. We have the riders that's on this policy, the spousal rider, which is available on both plans, and also the accelerated death benefit rider is only available on the Assurance Plus, which is the level death benefit, and also dependent children and grandchildren rider are available for only $1 a month, and that's available on both plans as well too. It's a great feature. Have a grandparent that wants to cover their child or their grandchild, they can do that for $1 per month. So if we have the spousal rider included at no additional charge on both plans, pays additional $1,000 on the first death if both spouses apply for the policy. So going back to our $10,000 death benefit example here, then it turns into $12,500 because of the Assurance Plus, $125,000 of the percent of the death benefit, plus also then the first spouse dies, then additional $1,000 is paid out. So the total death benefit on that first spouse is $13,500 that is paid out. So 3 health questions that needs to be answered for the Assurance Plus product. Accelerated death benefit, again, no charge. This rider pays out if a client has been diagnosed with a terminal illness and they have an expectation of less than 12 months to live, and I cannot perform the 2 activities of daily living. The dependent child rider and grandchild rider, again, like I mentioned before, it's only $1 per month, and it pays out $2,500 on the first death of the dependent child or the grandchild. Only $12 a year to cover your children or your grandchildren. So a lot of grandparents, only $12 a year to cover their children or grandchildren would like to go ahead with that. Great opportunity. Again, the issue ages for both plans is 40 to 80, and the death benefit face amounts start as low as $1,000, and the maximum is $40,000. Also, bonus rider is available on the guaranteed assurance, which is a graded death benefit, as well as the dependent child and the grandchild rider. Now on the Assurance Plus, remember that pays out the 125% of the death benefit on day 1, provides a spousal bonus rider, accelerated death benefit rider, and also the dependent child and grandchildren rider. As we mentioned before, the death benefit on the assurance, which is the graded death benefit, is 100%, 10% of the premium in the first year, and then the death benefit is 100% in the 3rd year and plus. And then on the Assurance Plus, the death benefit is 125% of the initial face amount. So remember that example before we showed where it's a $10,000 death benefit, and that $10,000 time of death then turns into $12,500 that's paid to the loved ones. It's an easy product to explain to your client, and also basically you go through licensing, get contracted with us with Great Western. Also, you can submit our business with us as well too. Shauna, our new business specialist, will take care of you and do the case management work for any new business that you send in to us. And also commissions are member paid daily as well too. And the riders and the rates are the same rate for both plans. Also, keep in mind that they can choose a date of when they want their money to be drafted from their bank account to match, when their Social Security benefits are going to be put into their bank account. And here's the state availability on this product. And again, more states are going to be coming out and approving on this Great Western product as well too. So again, one of a kind product, increased death benefit, and also immediate point of sale underwriting decision. And a lot of states have this product, so you can go out and sell it today. And it's a great way to make sure that the clients have funds available, for their funeral needs, or to help cover some expenses and bills that they have as well too.